everyone! How's everybody doing? I hope you're all great. This is Darisa Jimenez, your English teacher. Welcome to your English class. In your previous lesson, you learned how to write and read an email for an invitation, and also you learned how to write invitation cards. En la clase anterior, ustedes aprendieron a leer y a escribir un email para invitación. También aprendieron a hacer tarjetas de invitación. In today's class, you're going to learn how to make, accept, and decline invitations. En la clase de hoy, ustedes van a aprender a hacer, aceptar y rechazar invitaciones. Let's begin. Making, accepting, and declining invitations. What are you learning in today's class? Number 1, you're going to learn how to write a minimum of 3 sentences using will and be going to, referring to future actions. En la clase de hoy, ustedes van a escribir un mínimo de 3 oraciones utilizando will and going to para referirse a acciones futuras. And number 2, you're going to learn how to write 3 sentences, making, accepting, and declining invitations. Número 2, van a aprender a escribir 3 oraciones para hacer, aceptar y rechazar invitaciones. Join me here. In previous lessons, you learned that when we're going to refer to future events, we use will and be going to. When we want to talk about general future events, we use will. And let's see other cases in which you can use it. Vamos a ver en qué otros casos también ustedes pueden utilizar will para referirse a eventos futuros. I know that you remember that I told you in previous lesson, sé que recuerdan que yo les expliqué en la clase anterior que will se utiliza para decisiones inmediatas, immediate decisions. For example, I'll buy a sandwich for you now. Compraré un sándwich para ti ahora. This is an immediate decision. Also, you can use it to predict about the future. For example, come to my barbecue party. It'll be fun. Ven a mi fiesta de barbecue. Será divertido. And also, you learned that you can use it to make promises, que lo puedes utilizar para hacer promesas. Recuerda que lo aprendiste a utilizar para acordar encuentros. Look at the example. I'll be there, or I'll be at the party at 8 o'clock. Also, you learned that we use be going to talk about future plans, things that you planned before, para cosas que tú planificas antes. For example, I'm going to accept the job offer. Voy a aceptar la oferta de trabajo. Es algo que ya pensaste y es algo que planificaste. También puedes utilizar be going to make predictions, para hacer predicciones, pero estas predicciones deben estar basadas en alguna evidencia. Para que sigas aprendiendo sobre este tema, te voy a dejar que observes un video, mira las explicaciones y mira los ejemplos, porque luego vamos a completar algunos ejercicios. Let's watch it. Vamos a verlo.
Will versus going to. Will. Going to. Express future actions decided at the moment of speaking. Immediate decisions. I will have salad and the fish. Express future plans decided before the moment of speaking. Prior plans. I am going to visit my aunt next Friday. Express a prediction based on personal opinions or experiences. Predictions without evidence. I think United will win the game. Express a prediction based on present evidence. Predictions with evidence. Look at those black clouds. It is going to rain. Express a future fact. The sun will rise tomorrow. Express something that is about to happen. Get back. The bomb is going to explode. Both will and going to can be used for making future predictions without having a real difference in meaning. I think it will be foggy tomorrow. I think it is going to be foggy tomorrow.
Now let's check your understanding about what you learned on the video. Vamos a ver cuánto entendiste y aprendiste de lo que viste en el video. Let's complete the following exercise. Write sentences to refer to future events using will. Escribe oraciones para referirte a eventos futuros utilizando will. ¿Cómo lo vamos a hacer? Let's see the general idea up here. Vamos a ver la idea general aquí. And then, in the brackets, you have the words that you need to write your sentence. Just remember to use will because you're going to refer to the future. Vamos a utilizar la idea general que tenemos aquí arriba y luego las palabras en paréntesis para escribir las oraciones. Recuerda que vamos a utilizar will porque nos vamos a referir a eventos futuros. Number 1. Imagine that you will study abroad. Imagina que estudiarás en el extranjero. When will you study abroad? ¿Cuándo estudiarás en el extranjero? Tenemos I, yo, study, estudiar, abroad, extranjero, next year, el próximo año. Vamos a hacer una oración en tiempo futuro. I will study abroad next year. Let's do the number 2. Imagine that you will visit your grandmother. Imagínate que visitarás a tu abuela. Where will you go? ¿Dónde irás? We have I, yo, visit, visitar my grandmother, mi abuela, in Puerto Plata. En Puerto Plata. How can we write this sentence? ¿Cómo podemos escribir esta oración? Exactly. I will visit my grandmother in Puerto Plata. I know that you remember that we use will before the action, que utilizamos will antes de la acción para poder ponerla en tiempo futuro. Finally, imagine that you will go on vacation in July. Imagina que irás de vacaciones en julio. What will you do? ¿Qué harás? yo, go to the beach, ir a la playa, on vacation. Let's see the sentence. I will go to the beach on vacation. Good job. Now let's see the second part of this exercise. Vamos a ver la segunda parte de este ejercicio. In this moment, you're going to write sentences to express future plans using going to. En esta ocasión vas a escribir las oraciones como lo hicimos en el ejercicio anterior, pero esta vez vamos a expresar planes futuros, así que vamos a utilizar going to. Let's see the number 4. Imagine that you're going to have a party next month. Imagina que vas a tener una fiesta el próximo mes. What are you going to do? ¿Qué vas a hacer? Yo, invitar all my friends. What is the sentence here? I am going to invite all my friends. Number 5. Imagine that you're going to learn Japanese. Imagina que vas a aprender japonés. Where are you going to learn it? ¿Dónde lo vas a aprender? Yo, learn Japanese, aprender japonés at a language school. Let's do the sentence. I am going to learn Japanese at a language school. And finally, number 6. Imagine that you're going to buy a new car. Imagina que vas a comprar un carro nuevo. When are you going to buy it? ¿Cuándo vas a comprarlo? Yo, buy a new car, comprar un auto nuevo, next week. Vamos a formar esta oración. I am going to buy a new car next week. I know that also you can remember that we use I, the subject, am, the verb be, going to, and then the action that I'm planning to do. Good job. Now let's move to the next part of the lesson. Vamos a irnos a la siguiente parte de la lección del día de hoy. Making, accepting, and declining invitations. Hacer, aceptar y rechazar invitaciones. In this part of the class, I want you to learn different kinds of expressions for you to make invitations. En esta parte de la clase vamos a aprender algunas frases que los van a ayudar a hacer invitaciones. To accept those invitations, aceptar esas invitaciones, or to decline those invitations and giving a short excuse y dando una pequeña excusa. Let's learn. Do you want to go to the movies tonight? Do you want? ¿Quieres? Do you want to go to the movies tonight? Let's go to the concert. Let's go to the concert. Vayamos al concierto. It starts at 6 o'clock. Empieza a las 6 en punto. We're going to eat tacos tonight. Come with us. We're going to eat tacos tonight. Come with us. Would you like to go to my birthday party? Would you like to go to my birthday party? ¿Te gustaría ir a mi fiesta de cumpleaños? In these expressions, I want you to notice the underlined parts of the sentence. En estas expresiones quiero que notes las partes que están subrayadas. Let's check the number 1. Do you want to? Do you want to? ¿Quieres? Do you want to? Do you want to go to a concert? Do you want to go to the movies? Do you want to have dinner with me? Yo utilizo do you want to para comenzar una invitación. También, in the number 2, you can see let's. Let's. Recuerdo que en una de las lecciones anteriores ustedes vieron let's y yo les dije que yo utilizo let's para invitar a alguien a alguna acción. Let's go to the concert. Vayamos al concierto. Let's watch a movie. Veamos una película. Let's have dinner. Cenemos. Also, you use come. Come with me. Come with us. And finally, we use would you like to, te gustaría, would you like to. Este tipo de expresión se utilizan en contextos en el que queremos guardar mucha formalidad. Would you like to, te gustaría. Would you like to go to my birthday party? ¿Te gustaría ir a mi fiesta de cumpleaños? Would you like to go to the beach next Sunday? Would you like to go to the movies? Now let's see expressions to accept those invitations. Vamos a ver expresiones para aceptar esas invitaciones. Sure. What time? Por supuesto. ¿A qué hora? Sure. What time? Let's. Vamos. Let's. What a great idea. ¡Qué gran idea! What a great idea! I'd love to. Thanks. Or I'd love to. I'd love es una forma más corta de I would love to. I'd love to. Me encantaría. Now, let's see some expressions that I can use to decline those invitations. Vamos a ver algunas expresiones que puedo utilizar para rechazar esas invitaciones. Number 1. I'm really sorry. I can't. Lo siento mucho. No puedo. I'm really sorry. I can't. I can't. I have to study. No puedo. Tengo que estudiar. I can't. I have to study. I can't. I have to get up early tomorrow. No puedo. Necesito levantarme temprano mañana. I can't. I have to get up early tomorrow. And finally, maybe another time. Maybe another time. Now, let's see how I can combine the invitations with the answer that I prefer. For example, do you want to go to the movies tonight? Sure. What time? Let's go to the concert. It starts at 6 o'clock. I can't. I have to study. We're going to eat tacos tonight. Come with us. What a great idea! Would you like to go to my birthday party? Sure. What time? Do you want to go to the movies tonight? I can't. I have to get up early tomorrow. Let's go to the concert. It starts at 6 o'clock. Let's. So in these ways, you can combine the invitations with the answer that you prefer. Con esta forma puedes combinar el hacer invitaciones con la respuesta que prefieras. Now let's complete an exercise. I'm going to show you some invitations and I want you to think about one answer to accept it and one answer to decline it. En el ejercicio te voy a presentar algunas invitaciones y quiero que tú mismo elijas una expresión para aceptarla y una expresión para rechazarla. Let's work. Vamos a trabajar. How would you accept or decline these invitations? ¿Cómo aceptarías o rechazarías estas invitaciones? Number 1. Would you like to go to a pool party tomorrow? ¿Te gustaría ir a una fiesta de piscina mañana? Number 2. Let's go to the basketball mini tournament. Vámonos para la competencia de básquetbol. Number 3. Would you like to go to my birthday party tomorrow? ¿Te gustaría ir a mi fiesta de cumpleaños mañana? Remember to think about one answer to accept it and one answer to decline it. Let's see some examples. Number 1. Would you like to go to a pool party tomorrow? Sure. What time? Or I can't. I have to study. Claro. ¿A qué hora? O no puedo. Tengo que estudiar. Number 2. Let's go to the basketball mini tournament. What a great idea. I'll go with you. Qué buena idea. Iré contigo. Or I'm really sorry, but I have to do my homework. Lo siento mucho, pero tengo que hacer mi tarea. Number 3. Would you like to go to my birthday party tomorrow? Sure. I'd love to. Por supuesto, me encantaría. Or I'd like to, but I will be out of town tomorrow. Me gustaría, pero estaré fuera de la ciudad. In today's lesson, you reviewed and learned how to use will and be going to refer to future events. Also, you learned new expressions to make, accept, and decline invitations. I invite you to keep working and practicing all the things you've learned so far so you can keep growing in your English. En la lección de hoy, ustedes revisaron y escribieron oraciones utilizando will and going to para referirse a eventos futuros. También aprendieron nuevas frases para hacer, rechazar y aceptar invitaciones. Les invito a que sigan practicando para que sus habilidades en el idioma puedan seguir avanzando. For homework, I want you to write 2 invitations to different activities. Quiero que escriban 2 invitaciones para actividades diferentes. Also, I want you to answer accepting and declining each invitation. También quiero que ustedes contesten sus invitaciones aceptándola o rechazándola. Well, my dear students, this is all for today's class. Thanks for joining me. Please don't forget, wash your hands, wear a mask, and keep the social distancing. See you next class.